Namaskar. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to all of you to the Sadhana Dance Festival 2016. And to officially deliver the welcome speech, I invite Mrs. Indu Nitish Kumar. Thank you.
Namaskaram, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Before I move on to the welcome speech, on behalf of Indisha, I request all of you to kindly stand up for a minute's silent prayer to show our respect to the soul left us last evening, Padma Vibhushan Balamurali Krishna sir, and we dedicate this festival to him. Thank you. Kindly be seated. I take great privilege in welcoming you all to this dream event of Indisha, Sadhana Festival 2016. It's a great honor to have our beloved Jaya teacher, who's not yet reached here. She'll be soon joining us. She is one who has been always a great support to us. So I welcome teacher. And again, Balakrishnan Ashan, who has not reached here, who's the real man who named our trust and the festival called Sadhana Sathitam, that is the Sadhana Festival 2016. And Sharada teacher, who's going to soon joining us here, I welcome even Sharada teacher to Sadhana 2016. Now I welcome our beloved Leelaka, who's with us, and Lakshmi Akka, who's going to join us again soon. So these are the two who accepted to be with us in spite of their busy schedules. Thank you Akka, and thank you Lakshmi Akka. We are greatly honored. We're also greatly honored to have other great gurus, teachers, and rasikas here. To name them, I think I have to take each one of your name, because each one of you is special to us. So I'll welcome all of you. This festival was started in the year 2012, and proudly say we are stepping in the 5th year with the support of all of you. We are privileged to commence 2 days festival with Bharatanatyam recital of Padma Bhushan Professor C.V. Chandrasekhar, who kindly accepted our request for the same. On behalf of Indisha, I welcome Chandru sir to Sadhana 2016. Tomorrow we look forward for Punarlabhyam, and that Sri G. Narendra is coming back after a break with his vibrant performance. I'm sure we have been waiting for this since long. So I'm welcoming you all and his group Avigna to the Sadhana 2016. This event is possible because of the great support of our sponsor Casa Grant, and I really thank Mr. Udaya Bhaskar and family for extending this great support to us. And once again I welcome all the Rasikas, gurus, teachers, friends, students, and all our lovely parents to Sadhana 2016. Thank you.
We commence this evening with the Bharatanatyam recital by Professor C.V. Chandrasekhar, a refined senior dancer trained at Kalakshetra under the mentorship of Srimati Rukmini Devi Arundale. He was awarded the Sangeet Natak Academy Award in the year 1993. He was honored with the Padma Bhushan by the Government of India in the year 2011. It's a very great privilege to have him with us today. Over to you, sir. Please.
Namaskaram to all of you who are present here. Today is a very special day for me that I'm trying to present a piece called Prathama. Prathama, the first. I've had a long journey, learning, continue to learn, performing, teaching, traveling. It's all because I was nurtured by our mentor, Srimati Rukmini Devi. And I have had the privilege of learning for a number of years with my beloved teacher, Sharda Hoffman, who is here today to bless me. I seek your blessings, Sharda, who's my close friend. And today also happens to be a very sad day in the history of Carnatic music. We have lost our very dear, our very special Balamurali sir, who almost for 80 years probably must have started when he was 5 or 6. He's been a great musician, great composer, great performer, and done everything possible with music. We pay our homage to him. He's been a good friend of mine. I just want to say, a couple of years back, when he gave me an award, he told me, I would like both of us to work together. I will sing for you and you will dance. Unfortunately, it didn't happen, but that very word from him was something very special for me. So I pay my respects to the departed soul before I start my performance. And just to give our prayers to Balamurali sir, I've requested Hari Prasad, our singer who's had the privilege of learning with Balamurali sir for some time, to start the performance with a Kirtanam on Ganesha composed by Sri Balamurali sir.
sani da da ma ma ga ri da ri ri ma ga ri ri ma ma ga ri ri da da ri ri sani da da ma ma ga ri ma ba da ri ma ga ri ma ma ga ri sa ri da ma pa ri ma sa pa ma ma ga ri sa ri ma ba da ri ma ga ri ma ma ga ri sa ri da ma pa ri ma sa pa ma ma ga ri sa ri da ma da deva suda ma pranamami mahadeva suda maham ఏది కోరినా ఎవని జపించినా ఏది కోరినా ఎవని జపించినా ఏది కోరినా ఎవని జపించినా ఆదిగా నిన్ను అడిగిన నాను ఏది కోరినా ఎవని జపించినా ఆదిగా నిన్ను అడిగిన నాను నాదిగా నిలిచి మురళి గానము మురళి మురళి గానము నాదిగా నిలిచి మురళి నాదము నాదిగా నిలిచి మురళి నాదము ఆదరించు వర తత్వమసి నాదిగా నిలిచి మురళి నాదము ఆదరించు వర తత్వమసి సరి మగరిరి పమగరిరి రగరిరి సని దద మగరి సరి రి మగరిరి పమగరిరి రగరిరి సని దద మగరి మమరరి మగరి పమగరి సరి ద మమరి సమ పమగరి సరి మమరరి మగరి పమగరి సరి ద మమరి సమ పమగరి సరి ద మగ దేవ సుద ప్రణమామి మహాదేవ సుద మహం ప్రణమామి
Prathama, which literally means the first. I've chosen for this evening to perform pieces which are very special to me in the sense at every point there was a reason why I chose these pieces. I will be doing the Varnam, the very first Varnam that I learned from my teacher, Sharda Hoffman. She's here. So that was the first Varnam. The other piece, that was in 1949. Then, when I went to Banaras, I was lost in the beauty of North Indian music. I had one of my colleagues, Sri Vishnu Kalvint, to compose one of the Ashtapadis in Hindustani music. So that was the first work that I did in Hindustani music. That was in 1958. After that, for the 400th year of Tulsidas, which was celebrated in 19 1976, I took the liberty of tuning one of his bhajans, the very well-known bhajan on Ganesha, Gaiye Ganapati, in the Rag Kalavati. That was the first work that I did in Hindustani music, for which I composed the music as well. And then, finally, I'll do a very short Tilana, which was choreographed, composed by me for my daughter Chitra's Arangetram in 1974. So all these were the first attempts in my career. So I thought I'll put them together and present it before you. Thank you.
सिद्धि सदन गज वदन विनायक सिद्धि सदन गज वदन विनायक कृपा सिंधु सुंदर सब लायक कृपा सिंधु सुंदर सब लायक सिद्धि सदन गज वदन विनायक सिद्धि सदन गज वदन विनायक कृपा सिंधु सुंदर सब लायक कृपा सिंधु सुंदर सब लायक गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन दास कर जोरे बसे राम सिय मानस मोरे बसे राम सिय मानस मोरे मांगत तुलसी दास कर जोरे मांगत तुलसी दास कर जोरे बसे राम सिय मानस मोरे बसे राम सिय मानस मोरे गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गणपति जगवंदन शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति
Dikina tom tam ta ta ki ta na ka jam ta ri ki ta ta ka tam ta ta ki ta na ka jam ta ri ki ta ta ka tam ta ta ki ta na ka jam ta ri ki ta ta ka tatta kitta nakka jam tatri kitta takka tam tatta kitta nakka jam tadi kitta takka tatta kitta nakka jam tadi kitta takka tatta kitta nakka takka jam tadi kitta takka tatta kitta nakka jam tadi kitta takka tam tatta kitta nakka jam takkun tadi kitta takka tatta kitta nakka takka jam takkun tadi kitta takka takka jam takkandam takkarum takkade tam tatta kitta takka tadi kitta takka 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 tom tam tatta kitta takka tadi kitta takka 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 tom tam tatta kitta Dalang kutaka dik kutaka ta dikin tom tadi kuting kutaka ta ding kutak kudragata dalang kutaka ta kata ding kutaka te ding kutak kudragata dalang kutaka ta dik kuting kuta ding kuta ta kata ding kutai ding kutai ta dik kuting kutaka ta ding kuta ding kuta tak kata kata tom kata kata tom kata kata tom kutaka dik kutaka ta dikin tom tam kata kita naga jam takunda dikita taka taka kita naga taka jam takunda dikita taka taka jam taka nam taka tom taka titam taka kita taka dikita tak tak kata kata tom tam taka kita taka dikita tak kata kata tom tam taka kita taka dikita dalang tom kata kata tom kutaka dik kutaka ta dikin tom tacham taka jam taka tacham ta di kata kata tom tacham taka jam taka tacham ta di kata kata tom taka tacham taka nam taka tom taka taka deta deta kata kata tom deta deta kata kata tom deta deta kata kata tom taka diku taka ta dikina tom tan de daga tom tan de daga tom tan de daga tata de tan de daga tom tan de daga tom tan de daga tan de daga tan de da daga tan de da tat de taka daga tom tan de da daga tan de da tat de taka daga tom tan de da daga tan de da tat de taka daga tom
da तव दीना माधव माधव मनसिज विशिखवया निन्दति चन्दनं इन्दुकिरणमनु विन्दति खेदम् 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 व्याल निलये मिलनेन गरळमिव कलयति मलय समीरम् 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 ಶರತಲ್ಪ ಮನಲ್ಪ ವಿಲಾಸ ಕಲಾ ಕಮನೀಯಂ ವ್ರತಮಿವ ತವ ಪರಿರಂಭ ಸುಖಾಯ ಕರೋತಿ ಕುಸುಮ ಶಯನಿ ಕುಸುಮ ವಿಶಿಖ ಶರದಲ್ಪ ಮನಲ್ಪ ವಿಲಾಸ ಕಲಾ ಕಮನೀಯಂ ವ್ರತಮಿವ ತವ ಪರಿರಂಭ ಸುಖಾಯ ಕರೋತಿ ಕುಸುಮ ಶಯನಿ ಸಾವಿರಹೇ ತವ प्रतिपदम् इदमपि निगदति माधव तव चरणे पतिताहं त्वयि विमुखे मयि सपदि सुधानिधि रवितनुते तनुताहं प्रतिपदम् इदमपि निहदति माधव तव चरणे पतिताहं त्वयि विमुखे मयि सपदि सुधानिधि रवितनुते सावीरहे तव दीना ध्यान लयेन पुरपरिकल्प्य भवन्तम् अतीव विलपति हसति विशीदति रोदिति चञ्चति मुञ्चति विलपति हसति विशीदति रोदिति तव दीना सारी रहे तव दीना सारी रहे तव दीना सारी रहे तव नादृदीं तनन धीं धीं तदन रदरतानि धीं दधीं दधिरन नादृदीं तनन धीं धीं तदन रदरतानि धीं दधीं दधिरन नादृदीं तनन धीं धीं तदन रदरतानि धीं दधीं दधिरन नादृदीं तनन धीं धीं तदन रदरतानि धीं दधीं दधिरन नादृदीं तनन धीं धीं तदन रदरतानि धीं दधीं दधिरन नादृदीं तनन धीं धीं तदन रदरतानि धीं दधीं दधिरन नादृदीं तनन धीं धीं तदन रदरतानि धीं दधीं दधिरन नादृदीं तनन धीं धीं तदन रदरतानि धीं दधीं दधिरन नादृदीं तनन धीं धीं तदन रदरतानि धीं दधीं दधिरन नादृदीं तनन धीं धीं तदन रदरतानि धीं दधीं दधिरन नादृदीं तनन धीं धीं तदन रदरतानि धीं दधीं दधिरन नादृदीं तनन धीं धीं तदन रदरतानि धीं दधीं दधिरन नादृदीं तनन धीं धीं तदन रदरतानि धीं दधीं दधिरन नादृदीं तनन धीं धीं तदन नादृदीं तनन धीं धीं तदन रदरतानि धीं दधीं दधिरन काशी विशालाक्षि जननी जानवी नदी तटनिवासिनी श्री विश्वनाथ मनोलासिनी मां अवतु मम हृदय निवासिनी श्री काशी विशालाक्षि जननी जानवी नदी तटनिवासिनी श्री विश्वनाथ मनोलासिनी मां अवतु मम हृदय निवासिनी मपनीर ममगमति सानीर ममरदिंगिन तुमामि मपनीर ममगमति सानीर ममरदिंगिन तुम सति सपम पमगप तनि सदति तां कृतकृतं दि तां कृतकृतं कृतकृतं नादृदति तनन धीं धीं तदन तदतानि धीं धीं धीरम नादृदति तनन धीं धीं तदन तदता धीं धीं धीरम नादृदति तनन धीं तनन धीं तनन धीं तनन धीं तनन धीं
Thank you so much, sir, for that mind-blowing performance, and congratulations to the whole team. I would like to introduce them. Natwangam Srimati Manjari, Vocal Sri Hariprasad, Mridangam Sri Nellai Kannan, Violin Sri T.K. Padmanabhan, Flute Sri T. Shashidhar. Sir, we would like to have you back on stage. Many Kathakali institutions down south, Kerala, after the retirement of his guru. Ashanand sir, kindly stay back for the inaugural ceremony. We have two fine people, two wonderful dancers, Ms. Neela Sampson and Ms. Lakshmi Vishwanathan, are guests of honor. Please come onto the stage. The great artists who have dedicated their entire lives for art. We take great privilege in inviting these guests of honor. Leelaka is a recipient of several honors from the Padma Shri and Kalema Mani to the Sangeet Natak Academy and Sanskriti Awards. It's a great pleasure to have with us. Ms. Lakshmi Vishwanathan received several awards including Sangeet Natak Academy Award, Kalema Mani, Nritya Chudamani, Natya Kala Shikhamani and Natya Ratna. So now we are moving on to the official inaugural ceremony, lighting the lamp. Nilaka, please speak to us something.
Namaskaram. I should not be speaking after such a, Professor Chandrasekhar's Anna has actually lit the lamp. He has dedicated the evening and the festival. It's just so wonderful each time to see him perform, and that one is overwhelmed actually by his dedication, his hard work, which continues now even when he is so young. So I have no words to say. I should not be speaking, but I'd like to congratulate both Indu and Nidhish, Indisha, for starting the Sadhana Festival, for trying to do something in the field for young dancers and also for some of us who are not so young. But I wish them and their institution, which I have visited, and I've seen the dedication with which they're teaching. I wish them many, many years of good work. These lamps have to be lit if we want to see dance into the next, to the next generations. I wish both Indu and Nidhish all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you, Akka. We would like to listen to Lakshmi Akka also.
Namaskaram to all of you present here. It is indeed a privilege and a pleasure for me to be associated with anything that Indu and Nidhish do. They're a wonderful dancing couple, full of energy, charm, and dedication. I've seen them dance together, and I've seen them do solos, and I think it's a wonderful couple because nowadays you find that there are a lot of male dancers coming out of Kalakshetra, but very few couples, and this is a big advantage. And it's always a pleasure to see a couple dancing together because that gives an added life to the whole concept of dance itself. It's like Shiva and Shakti coming together, and they do a wonderful job. I've seen them performing full Margam as well as productions which they have done themselves, choreographed themselves. I think this dedication is something that is quite unique in 2016 because there are many people who are running schools and their aim and goal is to produce youngsters and have arangetrams like every other month. But Indu and Nidhish, I think they've gone one step further. All the girls who are standing here, the lovely girls, are their students. In fact, I was just telling them, I want to see all of them dancing because there's nothing that gives me more pleasure than seeing youngsters dance with passion. It's actually a passion. In 2016, as Sri Balamurli said in an interview many years ago, that today's dance is very different from what it was even 50 years ago. Today's arts are there not only for the sake of art, but for the sake of entertainment. And I think Indu and Nidhish are dedicated teachers who are producing these young dancers. And I hope in the next festival, I'll get an opportunity to see all of them on the stage doing different items and choreographies by their gurus. I wish the future for Indu and Nidhish is a very bright one. And of course, you know, their family is also expanding. So I congratulate Indu, wish her all the best, good health. And of course, Nidhish has gone to get an award. So I wish him many, many more awards and a lot of happiness and aesthetic pleasure in dancing. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Akka. We now invite Balakrishnan Ashant to speak to us. Yeah.
I don't know what to tell. Now, today I am really honored because I got the opportunity to felicit such a great artist of our generation. And to appreciate such performance is a God blessings for me. And what we have seen, we cannot separate the dance and dancer. It is one. He is not performing for the audience. He is himself enjoying the performance. Really, he is fully imbibed or emerged in the performance. So, it is a dedicated effort. He is doing a real karma yogi. Yoga means getting together. He is totally involved in the performance. And we only to ourselves to get in. If you can get in, it is the real enjoyment, the rasanubhuti. Today, I have the real rasanubhuti by I cannot tell watching. I am getting into the performance with the Chandurana. So I have no other words to tell about their performance. And I wish all the best for Indu and the Nidish and all the great, glorious future for their institution in this. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now we invite you all back to your seats.